Good girl. It's a girl. Winnie is a girl.
Tingnan mo ko, takbo yung isa. Where are you, Zach? Come here. I thought you wanna pit here.
Come here.
Uy, uy.
Here, that, like this.
Uy, uy.
Come here, come here. Come here.
Come here, I'm gonna hold him.
Yeah, like that.
Go,
Go.
go. Winnie, come here.
Come here, hold daddy.
You put your hand. He wanna pit you.
Good boy.
Girl. Good girl.
Why is licking mommy?
He likes.
She
She likes me.
She remember mommy.
She's friendly.
Remember mommy?
No, she will not bite.
Hey!
Just very friendly.
That wife?
Winnie.
Come on, let's go walk now with Winnie.
What?
Yeah, come on, let's go walk with Winnie there outside. He wanna poop out somewhere. Nagpoop na?
I-try ko muna bago.
Ah, tumain na? Ang bilis
Why
naman.
is it in the glass?
Kahapon pa naman.
Why is it in the
Kahapon.
glass? Why is she eating a glass?
Yeah. Oh, go. I'm gonna let her go.
But I want to pet him, Dad.
Yeah, you can pet her.
Oh, good boy. Good boy. Hey.
It's good.
Winnie.
It's busy. Winnie.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Be gentle, Winnie. Be gentle.
Your hands like this. Your hands, yeah. Like that. See? Good job, Zach. Good girl, Winnie.
Good morning. Good morning.
Winnie said, he likes it.
Daddy, open the door.
You're not scared anymore. Good job.
Look, look, he's eating the
Alam niya rin eh, alam niya.
Daddy, he's eating
Mommy,
the grass.
close to the rotitas.
Daddy, he's eating the grass.
Yeah.
Ayan. Winnie, don't eat that. Come on.
Hindi masakit siguro yung tiyan niya.
Let's go. Yeah. Come on.
What happened, Winnie? You have a pain in your tummy? Hmm?
Winnie.
Daddy,
Bye, Winnie. Okay.
what's he
No, he's just walking around. Exercise, Winnie.
I want the country.
Daddy, sasama daw si Zach. Ay, nako. Punta sa kapitbahay.